welcome back to Snowmoongames. Now today I got a box and I'm going to open it, but I don't feel 100%, so it's going to be fast, it's going to be quick, and it's going to be painless. And everything you need to know is down in the description. All of my little clicky things, and if you want one, there's a clicky thing, and there's lots and lots of clicky things, but I really don't feel 100% today, so we're going to wrap this up and make it fast. So today I got my Ipsy Plus bag. And Ipsy Plus is a $25 a month subscription where you get 5 full-size items in one bag. They have different options. You can get 5 samples in a bag for like $12 a month, and then this bag that's supposed to be $50 a month that you're supposed to get your money's worth, which I don't ever feel like I have. So there's all that, and all those is in the description. So this says discover yourself, and this is what it looks like inside right here, and we're going to jump right in and get this done. So it says celebrate you, that is this month's thing, and it was supposed to include an extra item also. Fun note, I redeemed my prizes, my money from Ipsy, and got myself a palette, which I have yet got. So if it doesn't come by the next bag, they are going to hear something from me. So I'm on the lookout for a Tetris palette, which I do not have. In this box I have what's called the coffee scrub. I've thought about this, I've debated it, and I've decided I'm not doing this. I know that it says to use it on your elbows and knees and on your body, and it has almond oil and vitamin E oil and grapeseed oil. But I don't like dirt, and I don't like to touch things that look icky, and wet coffee looks icky, so I can't put this on my body. I bet it does work. I bet it does amazing. It is retail value for $21.99. The next item I got is a Luna liner. Say, Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner in black. Retail value is $18. I'm not going to swatch it or open it. It's a typical eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. I haven't decided what I'm going to do about this yet, but that's the next item that I got. I know, I sound like, oh, what are you going to do? I don't know. Phase Zero Makeup Matte Liquid Lipstick in Undercover. This is the color. I feel like I've gotten a color similar to this, but not by this brand. So, it looks like it would swatch about the same as every liquid eyeliner. A liquid matte lipstick, so I'm not going to swatch it, but this retails for $16. And I say that's full size. I've seen bigger full size, but whatever. The next item in here is an eye gel. Malin Goatees Revitalizing Eye Gel retails for $42. So you're supposed to put this on your eyes, and it's supposed to help with dark circles and help revitalize your eyes. I get dark circles all the time. I've tried tons of different eye serums and creams. I mean, I'm fine with putting it on, but I don't know, it might work. It feels like every serum that I've gotten, a little sticky but not much, and it retails, oh, I said that, $42. So the next item in here is this complex contour precision concealer brush. Now I know I didn't get this type yet. I've yet got a triangle one from them. This retails for $26. I should have almost every brush now. How did I get an extra item? City Limits. Oh, yes. I bought an add-on item. Fire and Ice add-on by IBY eyeshadow. This was my add-on item. I thought it was pretty, and I thought it would be pretty fun. But it doesn't swatch, and it was a $3 ad, which they were running this huge thing that if you bought a $3 item, you basically only paid $1. So I only paid $1 for that, but still didn't get me my Tetris eyeshadow palette. So this is the bag. It says Unstoppable. It says Ipsy on the back. I do like this neon color. I don't know where the flesh tone came from. Oh, I got ice on it. But it's kind of nylon-y and leathery, and it just says Ipsy on the inside, and I like it. I like it. I'm not gonna lie. And the last item I got in this bag is by the Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Day to Night palette. It was this one or another one. The retail value is $26.50. It is some pretty colors. But I will swatch a couple of those, like the blue. I don't understand what a black primer is. Which is called Height. We'll swatch Beacon, which is a pinky color. And Hollywood down here. So there's an idea of what that is. But I do like it. I think it's kind of neat. I don't know what a primer. This convertible primer will dramatically transform your shadow color. Use any of these matte shades as liners. Layer any of these shadows on top of our primer to rev up your look. Let's see. Let's put a little bit of this primer down in one of these shadows, shall we? Just for funsies. I'll use the Wall Street. I don't know if that does much of anything. It kind of makes it dully. I don't know. It might have made one of these look like Durachrome, but I see what it did. So, on this hand, I put a little bit of Wall Street above the primer and a Wall Street over here as well. And this is the other one, but this is the difference. It kind of makes it shiny and different looking. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll give it a try. But that is the box for this month. Do I feel like I got an incredible amount of value? Not really. Would I suggest it? Yeah, sure. I mean, it's gotten some nice fun items. I mean, I got a palette, an eye serum, a brush, an eyeliner, lipstick, and a scrub, but one of these is a bonus. It didn't really tell me which one. So you're not going to get more than 5 items in your bags, but it's a fun thing. I enjoy it. So that is all I have today. It's the only box I got. I am setting everything aside and might do another makeup video at the end of the month. I do have a couple more boxes coming. Like I said, everything's in the link in the description if you want to get this box or any of the other boxes that I unbox. I have links in every description, and all of my social media handles are down there too. I try to upload at least 4 to 5 videos a week, if not more. I do a mixture of gaming and unboxing, so you may like some of them, you may not. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.